substitutes and the real wind-up volume 8. Available now.
Don't miss tomorrow's wind-up on Robert Cuss. He's got his honeymoon booked and, well, the plans all change. How would you have reacted if that happened on your honeymoon? Find out tomorrow morning here on Real Radio. Now, this is my favourite wind-up call of the year on Christopher Campbell and the rubbish. Best phone call of the year by Robin and Kat here on Real Radio. They're back tomorrow.
Hello?
My name is Hugh Stevens.
Hugh Stevens.
Yeah.
And you work for who?
I'm with Clackmannshire Council Environmental Services. You've spoken to a colleague of mine. You got in contact with regards to the rubbish at the back of Drysdale Street.
Yeah, that's right, may I?
In order for us to move the rubbish, we need to be paid.
I'm putting my black bags down to the skip. I can't put them in the rubbish bags, in the buckets. I've got to go down to our skip. So don't phone me again, mate, okay?
Yeah, look, Mr. Campbell, don't hang up on me. I've just spent...
I say, don't phone me again.
Right, Mr. Campbell.
Oh, Mr. Campbell. You understand English? Okay, speak.
You're an idiot.
I'm a what?
Absolute imbecile of the first order.
Who the you talking to?
I'm talking to you, Campbell.
Campbell, you want me to come in a opens with your foot out?
I beg your pardon.
You heard me. Call me a f***ing idiot. You call me a f***ing idiot.
I didn't say effing.
I'm not giving a f*** what you said.
I've had...
You don't ever call me a f***ing idiot.
You are an...
I'll pay my contract for you to work in that f***ing office.
Yeah.
You go f*** yourself, you...
You're a moron. If you had a brain, you'd be dangerous, do you know that? I'm not going to let this go.
Very good.
I'm going to make sure
Right.
that this goes higher.
Higher. How's higher, like? What's higher? What's higher in your vocabulary? Come on, spell it.
My vocabulary.
Come on. What's higher to you? Come on.
Sonny, I'd wipe...
What's higher? What's the problem?
I beg your pardon.
What's higher to you?
I have gone out on a limb
You
for
have
you.
gone out to do what?
I've gone out on a limb for you.
You went out a limb for me.
Yeah,
You can spell limb.
Do you know what that means?
Do you get what it means?
You're-
What have you done for me?
You're a
What's the
moron.
council do for me?
What?
You f***ing stupid for me.
It does so.
What is it what?
And today, we were going to get...
Today what?
We were going to get your rubbish removed for you next week.
Yeah, man. Don't talk a lot.
Excuse me.
Excuse me. Come on, man. Speak your I must say to
You...
you, me, you're great. Okay, you're getting there.
You get...
I get. Right, you're starting well.
You get right up my nose.
Oh, very good.
Listen, Sonny.
Listen, I'm your son, yeah. You don't got any money to give me, any birthday gifts or anything like that, no?
What?
Christmas presents. I'm your son now. You f***ing stupid, mate.
I think you do need help.
I possibly do, eh?
Yes, well,
What kind of help can you give me now? You're a psychiatrist.
I'm trying very hard.
Oh, you're very trying hard. Aye, you're very trying, aye.
I'm trying to clean up your area.
You're just trying to clean up my area. This is my area.
I'm offering to do it for £200,
Oh, very good.
split between the 20 flats.
Oh, how much is that he done?
Well, if there's 20, I worked out at £10 a head.
Oh, very good. Hey, you should be top of the class. Marvellous. Take it away. Hello.
Do you wish time?
Oh, hello, how are you?
Do you want time
Oh,
to
you been
pay?
doing? You been doing all right?
I'm fine, thank you.
Is it still a bit of rubbish in the back, eh?
Yes, do you wish
Oh, very good.
do you wish time to pay?
How long you going to give me?
We're here to help.
Oh, very good. £50 a week or something, huh?
No, I think that's
I'll do a wee bit overtime for you, how's that?
20, but are you working? I'm sure that you're
Oh, no, I didn't work, pal.
unemployable.
Oh, very unemployable, eh?
£10 a week, I think that's fair enough.
I think that's bloody marvellous, eh?
That's a good... how about that?
Oh, it's marvellous.
How about that, Chrissy?
Chrissy, Chris, huh?
Isn't that what they call you, Chrissy?
Who's this?
It's Christopher Campbell, isn't it?
Yeah, you're joking, eh?
It's Robin Galloway at Real Radio.
Ah, you're you're joking, boy.
Hello, Christopher.
Oh, dog. You can't ignore neither, no.
Go on, man, get it off your chest. Don't
I'm sorry for the swearing, eh?
don't sit on the fence, Christopher.
No, I know. No. Sorry. I'm sorry for the swearing. Oh, joking, man.
The Real Wind-Up with Arnold Clark, keeping Scotland's motorists smiling for over 50 years.